In this video, I'm going to show you how to change account subtypes in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Changing your account subtype helps keep your finances organized and ensures your reports and net worth breakdowns are accurate. To do this on desktop, go to the Accounts page and click on the account you want to edit. Then click Edit and select Edit Account. Inside the settings, look for the type and subtype fields. You can change something like checking to savings or adjust the broader type if needed. Once updated, you can also rename the account or change its icon if you want. After making your changes, click Save to apply everything. These changes won't affect your transaction history, but they will update how the account is categorized in reports and net worth views. Keep in mind, synced accounts may have some limitations depending on your bank, but manual accounts usually allow more flexibility. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.